which way do we go? Let's look in here. Oh.
God, it must be the dumbest thing ever. I can't figure this Power School thing out.
This is a beautiful classroom. Wow, look at these plans. I love all the amazing student work that's posted outside. And look at all the authentic learning experiences.
Well,
that you have
yes.
planned for your students.
Well, yes, if I only had a brain, maybe I could figure out this program and complete my grades so I could get back to teaching.